Artificial intelligence and ChatGPT are slowly becoming household terms. Machine learning is one such term that I want to bring your attention to. Machine learning is basically us humans programming an AI software to learn better from the inputs it's given. The more it learns, the more it improves. Seen those "Are you a robot" pop-ups sometimes? That's machine learning. The more people that accurately guess which pictures contain bicycles or bridges or fire hydrants, the better the AI is able to recognize what those objects look like.
There's a lot more to it than that, but you get the point.
Now, this video is not about AI, but the reason I'm bringing this up is because we may be teaching the machines how to become better, but we ought to take a page out of their handbook as well and learn from the machines. Whether you're stuck in a dead-end job, unsatisfied in a relationship, frustrated that life isn't what it should be, this can apply to you. When programs get stuck, or our devices hang, or our apps freeze, we simply perform a quick reset. Most times, a simple do-over solves most problems, because most times, that's all it requires. We flawed humans tend to overcomplicate the smallest of problems we have, not realizing a simple fix can usually make things better pretty quickly. The difficult part is executing it, finding a little bit of time from our lives so that our cache files get deleted, there's more RAM space, and we can perform better again. But in this fast-paced world we live in, even sparing 5 minutes can seem like too much. We go from work mode to social media mode to binge mode to party mode without ever stopping to just When was the last time you gave just 30 minutes of your time in a day to yourself, which FYI is just 2% of the time in a day, where you can practice some form of self-care? Even if you sleep a restful 7 to 8 hours in a day, which I know most of you probably don't, it's still less than 4% of your waking hours. That is all I implore you to consider. Spending just 4% of your waking hours to yourself to just hit reset. I like to categorize practices of self-care into 3 categories, depending on the time it takes to complete those. The daily ones like meditation, journaling, the moderate ones like exercising, and the once in a while ones like taking a vacation. I desperately needed a break, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Some me time, traveling, meeting new people, cultures, just performing a hard reset on the lifestyle I'd been living for quite some time that I was getting incredibly tired of. But I couldn't leave you guys hanging without an upload for too long now, could I? I know it's a little ironic, here I am in a foreign country that I've never been in before and busy making videos. But I assure you, as much as I can, there is plenty of off-camera moments where I'm just being present. And I'm loving it. Find a right balance that works for you, and you will see positive results. I promise. See you in the next video.